Hey guys, if you want to check your current Wi-Fi password, or you want to know the password of any Wi-Fi that have ever logged in or connected to your system or PC, this short video tutorial will walk you through two methods on how to find saved Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10. It's TechSpoof, and if you like this kind of video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of our future videos anymore. Okay, in this tutorial you will learn how to view saved Wi-Fi password in Windows 10, how to view saved Wi-Fi passwords in Windows 8, and how to view saved Wi-Fi passwords in Windows 7. Let's get into it so I can show you where Windows 10 save Wi-Fi passwords. In this method one will show you how to view currently logged in Wi-Fi password in your system. So all you have to do is go to the left side of the right side of your status bar and right click on your wireless network and click on open network and internet settings. This is assuming you're using the most current version of Windows 10 operating system. So you come down to network and sharing center and click on it. Okay, to open this network and sharing center, you now click on the connected Wi-Fi. When you click on it, it opens Wi-Fi status property. So you now click on the wireless property here. Okay, you arrive at this place, you now click the security tab. After that, you now click show characters. It will now show you the password of the currently logged in Wi-Fi in your system or PC. That's that. In this method too, I will show you how to view saved Wi-Fi in your system. So whether you're using Windows 10 or you're using Windows 7 or you're using Windows 8, any type of window you're using, as long as you can get to your command prompt, you can be able to view any Wi-Fi password that have ever been logged into your system. All you have to do is to go to net and type CMD, get to your CMD. As long as you're in CMD, you now type net sh wireless LAN show profiles and hit enter. Once it opens, it will now show you all the profile that Wi-Fi profile that have ever logged in on your system. So you can use the up arrow key to bring this out again. Then you choose the name of any of the profiles you want to bring out the password. For instance, I'm choosing X-Link. I'll now press enter. It will now show me that the key is present, but it's not showing the key yet. So if you want to now view the password, you use the up arrow key again and type key equals to clear, enter. Now the password of the X-Link here is KitKat23. It is that easy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, let there be a thumbs up. Okay, in TechSpoof we tend to make your lives better and easier. So if you have any simpler method on how to find saved Wi-Fi password on Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, please leave a comment in the comment box below. Cheers.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. And of course subscribe to the channel.
Okay, in TechSpoof, we tend to make your lives better and easier. So if you have any simpler method on how to find saved Wi-Fi password on Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, please leave a comment in the comment box below. Cheers.